Hello, are you interested in learning website design and development? That's a wise decision, I must say. You've come to the right place. In today's digital world, having web development skill is a game changer. Businesses, brands, and individuals all need websites to grow, connect, and thrive online. If you can build a stunning functional website, you can open doors to endless career and business opportunities both here in Nigeria and internationally. Welcome to Bizmarrow Technologies, the best training institute where we offer practical hands-on training to help you become a professional website designer and developer. Now, here's what you learn. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we take you from complete beginners to professional level in full-stack website design and development. Get hands-on training in front-end website design and development, the visual side. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design and structure a web page. Use Bootstrap and CSS framework for responsive designs. Work with Canva and Figma for UI design concepts. Backend development, the engine behind the website. Master PHP, Python, or Node.js for server-side programming. Learn database management with MySQL and MongoDB. Work with APIs to connect your website with external services. WordPress and CMS. Build professional websites without coding using WordPress. Learn how to customize themes and plugins for unique websites. Manage e-commerce stores with WooCommerce. Now full-stack website design and development. Combine the front-end and the back-end skills to build a dynamic and fully functional website. Work with version control systems like Git and GitHub. Deploy your website online using cPanel and cloud hosting services. By the end of this training, you will design, develop, and launch real-world projects, preparing you for high-paying opportunities. Now let's talk about job roles and career opportunities in website design and development. With web development skills, you can step into high demand and high paying jobs both here in Nigeria and opportunities such as a front-end developer, back-end developer, full-stack web developer, WordPress developer, UI/UX designer, freelance web designer and consultant, e-commerce developer, software engineer. Companies, startups, and businesses are constantly searching for skilled website designers and developers. With Bizmarrow Technologies training, you will be job ready to work in tech companies or even start your own business as a website designer and developer. Now let's talk about why you should choose Bizmarrow Technologies. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just teach you, you will learn by doing. Our practical project-based approach ensures you gain real-world experience. Now, these are the things you should look at for. Hands-on training. Learn by building real websites. One-on-one attention. A trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. No overcrowded classroom. Small-sized classroom for better learning. Real-life projects before graduation. Gain practical experience to boost your portfolio. We make you job ready. Our training aligns with industry needs. Online and physical classes available. Learn from anywhere in the world with us at Bizmarrow Technologies. Still doubting? The world is moving online and businesses need skilled website designers and developers. Don't wait. Delay is dangerous. Click on the link below or visit our website Bizmarrow Technologies today to register and start your journey in website design and development. Bye!